Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Thursday informed that the National Green Tribunal Committee has approved on a pilot basis the auction of 2 lakh metric tons of coal out of 32 lakh metric tons. The breakup of the auction from different districts of the state are East Jaintia Hills 75,000 metric tons, West Khasi Hills 50,000 metric tons, Southwest Khasi Hills 25,000 metric tons and South Garo Hills 50,000 metric tons.
The NGT committee has approved on a pilot basis to auction of 2 lakh metric tons out of the 32 lakh metric tons. In East Jaintia Hills 75,000 metric tons, in South Khasi Hills 50,000 metric tons, in Southwest Khasi Hills 25,000 metric tons and in South Garo Hills 50,000 metric tons. We expect that through the process, once we are able to transport and sell the 32 lakh metric tons that is there, roughly an amount of 500 crores of revenue will come to the state.
Meanwhile, welcoming NGT's decision, Sangma thanked the panel. Chief Minister said that the transportation of the auction coal temporary deposit will be set up and strict environmental norms will be followed in every depot during the auction and during transportation. Several checks and balances like the presence of CIL officials and foolproof security measures like the QR code will be introduced, hologram, fugitive ink and 4 copies of challan.
In order to transport this auction coal, different temporary depots will be set up. Strict environmental norms will be followed in every depot during the auction and during transportation. There will be several checks and balances like the presence of CIL officials, foolproof security measures like the QR code, hologram, 4 copies of challan, fugitive ink, etc. to ensure that there is a foolproof mechanism that is put in place.
The Chief Minister further said that measures have been put up in place to ensure transparent mechanism in place, including online auctioning at an all-area level by the MSTC Limited platform. He also ensured that environmental and scientific mining will be initiated in the state very soon. Bureau Report.